Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green. It's the fall, and I'm frequently asked about overseeding with winter rye. And what that looks like is people will scalp the lawn and then put winter rye down, and then that winter rye looks green, that grass looks green all winter. So if you're wondering how a neighbor's lawn looks green all winter long, that's probably what they've done is to put down the rye, and that's called overseeding the rye grass. When people ask me whether or not they should do it, my answer is always no. It's a bad idea, and it's a bad idea for several reasons. Uh, with if you have a St. Augustine lawn and Zoysia lawn, it's not good because what happens is we scalp the lawn, and then we put the seed down, and then we water the lawn a lot to trigger the seed growing. And we're doing that in fall, right at the time when we really need to be watering St. Augustine and Zoysia less, because we're trying to avoid having those lawns get brown patch. So by overwatering, we're risking causing a disease in the St. Augustine and Zoysia. So in the springtime, it causes problems because somewhere around March or April, your good grass, the Bermuda and St. Augustine and the Zoysia, they're going to be trying to come out of dormancy. So they're kind of sleepily awakening out of being asleep all winter long. And the winter rye, at that time of year, usually the temperature is around 60, 70 degrees. It is really happy, it's growing aggressively, and it tends to choke out then the good grass. You're not really going to notice that damage until the winter rye goes away, usually somewhere around in June. And now your lawn has these big patches in it. And folks will wonder, well, what caused all of that die-off in my yard? That's your winter rye that's gone away, and it's choked out the Bermuda. So I know that a lot of folks really like to have their grass looking green all winter long. I know that it's a nice look. It's really not a good idea, though, for your good grass, the one that you want to keep the rest of the year. So if you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Send them on to your friends and family. This is Ken with Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing trust.